So where can I get started on this drive repair? And the first thing I've done is remove the two little covers here. I didn't do it on screen because I wasn't all too confident in my abilities, but that's a real small part, so I'm not worried about it. Got to remove these two screws right here, and they are the tri-wing little Y screws. So let's see how we do here. And they're pretty good, so I had to put down a fair amount of force on there to get them out, or that one. This one will be easier now that I know how. I think it'll be easier, that is. Mm. Maybe I need to set it another angle here to get a better turn on it. Or try the other screwdriver entirely. Let's see. Yeah, that one's working. Now I can turn it back over here. And finish unscrewing. Now let me go grab something to control screws. for now, these two little bowls will do the job. So there we go. That's the first set of screws removed. Let's see what's next. All right, next up is going to be a screw on this side under this compartment. This one right here. You can't see it though. Hang on. Get things moved where you can. So that screw right there. And thankfully that one is a Phillips. Just a very, very small one. So we get this one removed. Get at a better angle to it so I can actually get it out of there. This is going to be a bit of a problem, so let's go ahead and get it removed. So it's not causing me trouble. I can feel it wanting to slip back in, and that's not what we need. Let's see here. This will probably help out. Okay, so it is not out yet. I'll keep going. Try just the driver part there and not the rest of it. bring in another tool that I have. Get a little grip around it. That's what I needed. Now we have that screw removed. And now on to the next part. And for this part, we're flipping it over to get to a screw that's under this rubber pad. I went ahead and removed it. Should look like that one. But again, spudger work, and I wasn't too confident in my abilities. So I wanted to not do it on camera, lest the video take an hour. Get that one up and nearly out, and then we'll use our little wire claw gripper thing to grab it. And lift it out. Time for the next part. All right, so we've got everything removed that we need to be able to pull the faceplate away. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, that was a bit quicker than I thought it would be. There we go. Now I've got to remove that wire. And we will use I will use my tweezers here. Let me rearrange things so you can see what's going on. All right, so I've got to pull these wires out. There's a little connector plug. And we're going to do that with tweezers here. Okay. There we go. Faceplate is detached. And this is not what we're worried with at the moment. So we'll just put this down on the other shelf here where I'm storing everything else. And we'll move on to the next step. And the next step is going to be removing the outer casing. So we're going to first remove this part because there's a screw we need to get to under there. Always have a slightly hard time with these because except for maybe once or twice, I've never had to remove them. There we go. Got it out. Awesome. So now it's that screw and that screw. Same thing as before, just gotta be careful that it doesn't want to slip on me. Get it out enough, and then I can grab it with this again. Oh, well, that one's already out. Why didn't the other one work that well? Oh well. Now let me make sure I'm putting it in with the right screws here. Nope, those are the tri-wing. There it is. Right in with the other Phillips. Get this one out. And I don't want it falling in there, so even though I know it's loose, there we go. And that comes off. Little faceplate. And we'll see what's next. All right, now we're doing these two Phillips screws right here. There. And this one. And now for flipping it over. And we've got some more spudger work. So let me go grab what I need. All right, in place of a spudger, I'm using my X-Acto knife. It gets the job done. There we go. Just grab the note card I've been putting these on. Makes it easier to find them later. So that one, and then these two need to come off. There we go. Come on, off. There we go. I want you on the card, not on my hand. Now for this last one here. Got it. There we go. Now we've got more screws that need to come out. Let me verify which ones. And of course, the answer is all of them, except for this one, because that's dealing with something else. We just want the ones we removed the covers for. So there's one. Here's two. And there's three, but this bit won't work. We need the tri-wing. There we go. All right. On to the next step. All right, we got more stuff to remove. This time we're going to be removing these two. So let's get after it. I think this one looks more promising to start with. Well, maybe not that angle. Don't think we're getting far enough down. That feels promising. Yep, it's coming right out. There we go. And now to do the same on this side. But I need a better angle on it, so let's turn it around here. Maybe I can get what I need. Oh yeah, I can see a spot now. well, there we go. Got it out. Now those two screws down in there need to come out, and they're both tri-wing. See, I need to be able to see them to get them out of there. There we go, got one of them. I can start it now. Haha, I got it on the screwdriver. And now this one down here. Again, I need to be able to see it to line up the screwdriver with these slots. And once again, we have it. Time to move to the next part. And what we're doing now is removing the casing there. So let me get it at an angle here that'll work better for me. I think we need to go this way. I believe we're going to find out, aren't we? No. Well. And is it this way? Aha, there we go. Get something moving there. Okay, got it now. I got it. There we go. That filter could use a little dusting out, so I think I will do that. Be right back. All right. Took me a little while to find my can of compressed air to clean that little filter out, but I do believe that looks a fair amount better than it did. Just put this down here with everything else. And now we're back to this. And the first thing we need to do, let me move this out of the way, is there's a little... Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, feel free to give me a like and maybe subscribe. And if you want to go a little bit further and you want to see your name in lights in the credits here, feel free to go to my Patreon and contribute. Till next time everyone.